Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Applied. So, this is part 2 of Salesforce Knowledge Setup. In the part 1, we have seen how to set up Salesforce Knowledge. In part 2, we will see how to create knowledge articles, how to publish them, and how to send them to the customers for reviewing them. Stay till the end of the video where you'll see application of knowledge articles. And if you have any questions regarding Salesforce Knowledge Setup, then please watch part 1 to have a comprehensive understanding on entire process. Alright, let's get into the video. In the part 2, we will see how to create a knowledge article. So the first article we'll be creating is how to record type. But here I do not see the summary field where I want to enter the details. So I go back to the settings and go to the page layout. So since it is just a fix of a issue, so I've gone very fast with this video. But if you want to see the steps, you feel free to slow down the video and see what changes I'm making here. So I've added a section and added summary field there so that I can enter the related information. This seems to be right. Yeah. So now I create a new article here. And once I save the record, I got the summary field. Here I will enter on how to clean and maintain the solar panel related information. And I wanted to make it visible to the public databases, so I check it yes. And another important step here is assigning this knowledge article to a category. So in order to segregate, so right side you can see you can select data article and categories. So select solar panel and I got it done. Next stage is assigning it to an user with some instructions. So I want to assign it to Ada Baleva, so that when I log in as that user, I can refer to this document. And as this new user, I can refer, and if at all I want to make any changes, I can make it. Otherwise, I can publish this article. Again, if you see this video is going very fast, please slow down. The reason why I put it very fast is most of the steps are self-explanatory here. So, and if you remember, we have made the status as a work in progress, default status as work in progress. Now we have marked it to validated through Ada Baleva. And when you save this record, and as this user, you can go ahead and publish this record. You can schedule the publications as well when you want to do it. Log out as user. And now in the first part, we have seen that whenever enforce login was unchecked, so that is the reason we need not log in as our own user. So if you can go here, you can see here the published article will be online as long as there are no changes to be made. So if at all you want to make change to an existing article, publication status to draft, so that is where you can see the article getting you will be able to edit the article and you can publish the article. Now the new article will be viewed, like you can see the version here. Now we'll see how to assign knowledge article to the cases. We'll create a new case. We'll fill out all these necessary details. save. And if you want the knowledge to be present on the layout, maybe you can go ahead and add these knowledge section where you can search the knowledge articles from the when you open the case record. Desktop and phone. Next, save. So since we have only one article, it is giving as a recommendation. But if you have multiple, like maybe 100 articles or something, there you might want to search it with keyword search. Now what we are doing here is we are creating a communication channel mapping. So if at all you want to send these articles as an email or a message or a social message or chat, like if you want to send it on a Facebook or Twitter or for that matter X, you do that. Here in this case what we are doing is we are setting up email to case, so that whenever from a case you can drop an email. So in order to enable that, we are setting up email to case. So I'm adding email button here, so that when I click on this button, I'll be able to send an email from a case. So article tools, where we want to send them as at an attachment. So we will be doing that. Support settings, edit. So whenever a case is closed, then you want to show that status, then we will make this support settings show status closed when the show closed statuses and case status field. So you will be able to see the closed status on a case record. So that is what we are doing here. So now when we go back to the case, and since we have referred this knowledge article here you can see a chain link. When you click on it, it will be assigned to the case. And if you want to drop it as an email, so you can go to the email section of the feed, and then you can include the knowledge article as a reference in the email, where you can click on the drop down next to the email button. So that is where it can be included and sent as an email. In the next video, we'll see how to take advantage of AI, powering it with Salesforce Knowledge. Stay tuned and follow Cloud Applied. That's it for now. Thank you so much for your time. See you later.